How to make transparent watermarks in CapCut on PC. Want to add a transparent watermark to your videos in CapCut on PC? Here's a simple step-by-step guide. First, download a green screen image to your computer. This will act as the background for your watermark. Open CapCut on your PC and click New Project. Import your green screen image by dragging it into the project media. Next, click Text and select Add Text. Type your desired watermark, like your name, brand, or logo. Customize the font, size, and style to your liking, then click Apply. Once your watermark looks perfect, go to Export, adjust the resolution, frame rate, and bitrate, then click Export. Wait for the export to finish. Now, create a new project and import the video you want to add your watermark to. Drag your exported watermark video onto the timeline as an overlay. Select the overlay clip. Then click Edit, crop any extra green background. Next, go to Remove Background, then click Chroma key. Select the green color and adjust the intensity until the green background is gone, leaving only your watermark visible. Adjust the shadow, brightness, or opacity if needed to make your watermark stand out. Then go to Basic, select Blend, then click Overlay. Position it anywhere on your video and ensure it lasts through the entire clip by duplicating the overlay if necessary. And that's it. You now have a transparent watermark on your video using CapCut on PC. Professional, simple, and clean.